Right, so today we've got that crane to do, not that crane, that grab hire thing in there to do. Just the tub on it, and then Chaz is getting done at a different day because it's going to piss it down later today. But we've got some little bits that need doing, and we're going to get that tub done when they've done taking a few bits off, like marker lights and that. So I'm a bit early, so I'm just going to, I knew it was going to rain later, that's why I've come a bit early, so they weren't quite ready for me, but they fetched me some stuff out anyway to do now, so I'll be getting on with that while they're getting on with that, and we'll fire this beast up. Right, we'll let that warm up for about 10 minutes and then we can crack on. Right, so we're back a couple of days later and this is it when it's painted. Like brand new when we've been round them. Well, painting's not my department, but I'd like to be able to film painting, but obviously it's not my business too. So I can only show you what it looks like when it's painted. Then undersides, backsides. But that's the tub out of the way, outer way. I'm going to brighten this off. I did that because I didn't want to splash off of that onto that when that's now painted. So I was hoping that I'd painted that, or at least did that bit there, or primed it at least, and then all I had to do was finish this bit off, and then there'd have been no worry about going up and under any tint bits I've already done. But anyway, we won't worry about that when we get to it. We're not doing naught to do with crane. None at crane's getting done. None at legs. Wheels, like I say, not getting done because I've done another video, and he's grabbing his bits. We've got the underside to do today, so all this stuff. Yeah, much as we can.
I put 2 tank straps in that bracket on the pallet over there.
Alright, yeah, sound. I'll sort that in a bit. Are you in a rush for them?
Can't imagine so. I mean, obviously we can't put on until the chassis is painted. So
yeah, I'll do chassis first then, and then get on with that. What the size of that? Bag. We need a bag in there. I think that's it then. Right, I'm going to give this a go. There's a link in the description if you want one. 2 for 20 quid I think they are, or they're about 15 quid each. They said there's 12-hour runtime on it, but I doubt that very much. I reckon they'll be about more on 3-4 hour mark. No, probably not even that, it might be about 2.5 hour. We'll see anyway. I'm going to just put it on helmets. That fits perfect. Impressive. See how long battery lasts now, or even how long they last in real life. I bought these torches just to, what I call it, to try and improve my cameras. So I thought if I bought some lamps, the camera might be able to pick up a little bit better But I don't like them bigger. Well, I do. I like them big ones underneath because they're quite bright. I'll put a link in description for them and all. They break a lot though. Them. The switches are a bit shit. You need to. I don't know. You need to upgrade switch on them, or somebody needs to tell manufacturer that the switches are shit. They might improve it. I don't know. a lot from me. I like to go that, but there's just too much. Weight splash can go, there's just too much that can happen. So again, there's a couple of little misses behind, stuff like that, but what am I supposed to do? Can I do what I can do? Centres, because we've done wheels. I don't know if they're on video, they should be. I need to knock these chocks out and all. Yeah, them rams are fine, don't worry about it, don't be commenting saying that they'll be knackered now and all that shite. They're not, they'll be alright. They're leaking anyway, but that's not down to me. That's, well, yeah, it's got some shit on it, but it's as good as brand new, man. Okay, shit on new paintwork. It's because it rained earlier. Look at colour difference where it rained. Oh shit, my gloves. I think they've seen better days anyway. Ready for a new pair. Yeah. Don't normally do drums. I normally keep away from drums, but I thought I'd do them this time. Snot there under them pipes. It'll be right. It's going into a body shop anyway. It's not like they can't mend stuff and sand stuff. Anyway, oh, I'll finish this walk round. I've learnt my lesson with these and all. I don't know if it was on last wagging video, I don't know if I showed it. There were some scabs on these. I know they're looking a little bit rusty, but there were some proper scabs, like deep scabs. I knocked a scab off and then they couldn't move wagging because brake stopped on. So it was like, yeah, is it worth doing them? Just keep away from it. In fact, it was one similar to that. Similar size to that. It looked a bit like that one. And if you bust them, as soon as they bust, they don't build pressure up and they just release all air. And they need air pressure to take brake off. Right.